Hello, good morning everybody. So today I am playing the role of Extempore topic master. So I'm going to be giving you some topics and you are going to talk on them.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abhishek and my favorite subject is maths because I feel easy to do maths and it also improves the thinking of the brain and improves the capacity of learning of everyone. So I like maths and it is the favorite subject and I also find it easy. Maths is also favorite because it has some critical conditions sometimes and it is fun to find the difficult sums which makes more involvement of me and is easy.
Yes, my name is Kiran. Has it given a topic of this lady because of I want to understand what the problem is happened from that person. Then I'll convey to other person too. They are in trouble. They are in trouble because actually what's happened. First you have to analyze that there is a two ways of understanding of that one. But is really they are in trouble? They are fake or trouble. Then you understand and then you convey to the other person too. They are in trouble. So and so problem they are facing. We want to solve that problem because I would like to take one example. That one, there are poor people are there. They want to do the marry from her daughter. We want to help them that person. That is the reason I had conveyed to other person. They are in trouble into her daughter marriage. All people will contribute to the money and give it to that person to her because of he want to marry her daughter. Thank you.
I learned cycle. My father teach me very well. My mother teach me good habits. I learned cooking also. I learned swimming. My brother taught me how to do swimming. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, master speakers and guests. I am master speaker Aman, and I got the topic of what is a skill. So, my skill is teaching others and comedy. Comedy is my best skill. I'll make people laugh if they are interested something. If in our class, take example of me only. In our class, account sir or teacher will trouble us. I'll make them also laugh and student also laugh. They'll think, go and do some YouTube show, you will be famous. No ma'am, I'll teaching you only, you will be the best for me. And they will again laugh. So laughing is very good habit for us. It makes depression down and some bad things take it far. So happiness is very important in our life and your life also. So by laughing, I will conclude my speech. Thank you.
Good morning, fellow master speakers and guests. My name is Master Speaker Lakshmi. I have got the topic of what skill I have learned from others and what it is good for me. From my father, I learned to be confident and brave. My father is very confident in any situations, and he will not be in stress or he will not be in fear in any situations. He will be brave. From him, I learned to be confident and brave in any situations. From my mother, I learned many good habits that may be writing, reading, and speaking. My mother is very kind and she will help me in everything. From my mother, I learned that to help everyone without thinking of our personal interest and gain. And from my brothers, my small brother is very cute. I like him very much and he will make me laugh in any situations. In every situations, and whenever it may be. And from my brother Samarth, I learned many things. In any situations, he will be with me, and whatever I will tell, he will help me in any situations. And I learned from him that we should not think of our personal. We should not think only about ours. We should help everyone without thinking of our personal gain, and we should not think only about our personal things. Thank you.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸೀತಾ. ನನ್ನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಂದು, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂಗಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬೆಕ್ಕು, ಸಣ್ಣದೊಂದು ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಬಂದೈತಿ. ಆ ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಒಂದೆರಡು ದಿನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಗ್ಗು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಹಾಕಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ರೂಢ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟೈತೆ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ರೂಢ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ರೂಢ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಆಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ರೂಢ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನು ಇದು ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೋಗಿ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆ ಕಂಪೌಂಡಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹಾಕಿ ಬಂದಾಳ. ಹಾಕಿ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಹೋದ್ಬಿಡು ಇನ್ನು ಅಂತಂದು ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂದ್ರೋಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅದು ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಿ ದೂರ ಒಂದು ಗುಡಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದರು. ಗುಡಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೈಟ್ ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಮರ ಐತಿ, ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತಿ. 3 ನಾಯಿಗಳು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾಯಿಗಳು ನಿಂತಾವಂತಂದು ಅವರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದು ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ, ಬೆಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಅವು ನಾಯಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಆ ಬೆಕ್ಕನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಒಂದು 2 ದಿನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹಚ್ಕೊತಾವು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್.